What the dog do?
Hindi ko ulanan later. Hi guys! For the vlog. Cherry! Hey guys! I don't know if naririnig niyo ako pero I'm here in Ortigas. Because we're on-site tayo today! This is the fit. But the weather is not giving. This is the fit check. Guys, bumili lang ako ng coffee from Lawson and kumain ng favorite kong fish cake. Hi guys! Hey! It's just us. I got the goods. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Hi Kalia. Hi. Going on a grocery. Hi guys, I'm here at Calma. Hey guys, now I'm ready. Hawa ng haircut today. Wow! Kampo naman. Hi. Video yan.
Hi, hello.
Love the fit. Hi guys. We are here in Nasaan tayo? Here in Bulacan and then ano sabihin mo? P2P. We're going to Trinoma. Pwede ka na mag-vlog. Parang lumbay ka dyan ah. Hi guys. We're getting ready. Say hi.
Hi.
Yan. Hi guys, we're going to Tagaytay. Pero nasa Caloocan pa kami. Guys, say hi.
Papunta kaming Tagaytay, guys.
Tita, ano na video lang?
Video lang. Ikaw, Day, magaling si Yuri.
Hey guys, we're going to...
Doesn't have to hit more.
I'm with a... Pa, hi ka. Yan. Look at the sky. Hi, tita.
Sasabihin ng gobyerno.
Mamaya din mag-video din ako.
Picnic crew. Let's go. Say hi, guys. O, tara na. Alis na tayo.
Ay,
Yes.
pasa mo sa akin lang para ipasa ko din siya.
Okay. Ganda. Live. Na natin ng Taal. Ah! Saan? Uy, ang mura lang. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan.
May pwesto dun sa baba.
Tara.
Ayan, nasusunog na po siya. Hindi ka ba nainitan?
Nakakainis. Ma, say hi.
Hi.
We're here in Tagaytay. Sabay ba talaga? Dito siya. Kasi sabi sa'yo maglibot tayo eh. Meron pa sa ano, sa SVD Farm. Welcome to SVD Farm, yes! We are here in SVD Farm! Tayo naghikab pa. Ganda naman dito. Look at that. Ano nakalagay?
So nice.
The OG Starbucks.
will be on the left.
Look at that view. Ma, mother. Hi. Wag na. Kaya natin yan. Dali, ganyan-ganyan ka dito. Wow!
Uy, ang ganda nun. Screenshot mo na lang.
Alam mo, hindi siya ma-appreciate ng camera, pero I can see it very well. It's so beautiful.
I-voice over mo.
Ayun na nga, naririnig ka na. Here's the eyes. Look at that. Hi! Eh, ganda ng view dyan. Hey guys, and now we're going home from Tagaytay.
Wala lang yung pila-pila yun doon kasi kunti lang yung tao.
Guys, say hi! Lala! Come, come! Room tour. It's a room tour. This is the Aaron's Day, guys. Alam bakit ang lungkot ko. Sorry. Okay guys, I got the cloud coffee again. Again and again.